konsepto.
No?
Ah, baka naman pwedeng, kasi yung pera ko pinadala mo, nabawasan kasi namin, ginamit namin sa Christmas party dito. Hindi pwedeng yung dagdagan.
Ganun po ba, Nay?
Sige po, ako. Naku, kumakas ka talaga ng langit. Ang pakapalik talagang anak mo. Makiingat ka dyan, ha? Oo, mag-iingat ka. Salamat, anak, ha? Salamat.
So, first stop, ground. That is no small feat. But as we all know, writing's only the first step. Now let's get people to actually read it. And if you guys has anything, that there's a bit of format and listener content and actually present to them. So what convention points rules in the walk of ticket are your tags and your story entries. And that's what we're going to dig into today. I'm your guest, and this is Story School. From the full wide world of Wattpad, as with millions of users worldwide, even more stories. It sounds a bit overwhelming, but really all you need to get your story